Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss all about our new batch for 9-day workshop on retail pharmacy business management. So if you want to start your own pharmacy store anywhere in India and you don't have any idea related to the pharmaceutical business, or you already has an experience but still you can't able to grow your pharmacy store, this workshop is very ideal to all the people who wish to start and grow their retail pharmacy. So in this workshop, you are going to get all the information right from the very basics about how to start and grow pharmacy. Let's get discuss in this video all about our new batch for pharmacy business management workshop. So if you look into this result of this workshop, this is the highly successful workshop from our academy where a lot of students started their own pharmacies all across the pan India, running their shop very successfully. And if you also want to start your own pharmacy, this workshop is worth for you, where you get all information. Let's get discuss about this workshop. So I will told you first the schedule of this workshop. So this is 9-day workshop. It will be started from 6 July 2026. The timing will be evening 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is completely online mode. So the next is the syllabus, what we covered here. So in the first module, we will cover basic of the retail pharmacy. What is for retail pharmacy, how we can start it, everything. Then the next module, we will cover about location analysis, means which is the ideal location for retail pharmacy. Then how to know about the potential of the area, means how you got to know that this location gives me such kind of returns, it means turnover or daily your business, how much business I can generate from that in particular location. Even you can also get idea about the hospital analysis as well in this module. Then the next module, we will talk about the approval process, means the documentation or approval which is needed from the government to start this business. Everything I will share you how to apply for this and what is the fees and what is the platform. Everything I will going to share you. Next module, we will start about relationship management with your doctor, then relationship management with your distributor, with your nearby chemist, with medical representative. These people are very important in your business. So how they work, how that are beneficial to you, and how you can communicate with them. Everything we will cover in this workshop. Then the next module is all about the software analysis and prescription reading. We will going to tell you. Then in the next module, we will going to tell you customer relationship management, means patient, means your patient counseling, okay, even over the counter, how to connect with the over the counter patient, prescription patient. And you also we will teach you here that how what are the different campaigns you can able to launch so that the many people can communicate with you and you will get a number of customers ultimately. Next module is all about the management, profit management, expiry management, then short book management, manpower management, everything. Then the next one is multiple business opportunity. After you started a retail pharmacy, after you successfully build this business, then what is the further step? How you can grow your business? This is what we are telling in this module. And the last module is all about how to arrange the medicine, how to procure medicines or purchase from the wholesale, how to arrange. And then we are providing the medicine list, which is highly demanded medicines in your area, so that you can purchase this medicine and you can bring sale to the customers, so that no customer can go return from your pharmacy. So this is highly demanded medicine list we are going to provide in this workshop. So this is all about the syllabus. Now we will discuss about the benefit. The first benefit is all about certification. You will got a certification of participation. Next, you will got a medicine list, the demanded medicine list from our end. Next one, these sessions is completely live, but you will get a recording and study material as well. And then the last one is you will get a pre-business consultation as well after this course. So how to enroll, what is the fees? So fees for this workshop is 1999, 1999. So how to pay? It is very simple. In the description I provided a resume link, just click over there, or you can pay online to this number 9423 272876. Once you pay either way, just share your name, email, qualification, location to this number. Then once you pay and once you share this information, you will get an email confirmation and we will add it in the class group of this batch. then you will get all details over this group only, like link, then study materials, recordings, everything. So this is all about this workshop. So if you want to know more, just fill the Google form which is given in the description, or you can call to this number. This is our student coordinator number, or also you can comment down in this video. So this is all about this workshop. Few questions might be like, is this workshop is helpful to start the business? Yes, this workshop will definitely helpful to start the business, to grow the business. Next, if I miss any session, can I get recording? Yes, you will get the recordings. Then, is the medicine list whatever we provided, is this helpful to me? Yes, it is helpful to you as well, because it is the highly demanded medicine list. Okay, so this is all the basic question, but still any query you can call to our executive, or you can fill the Google form. That's it from this video. I hope you completely understood our new batch information, the announcement. If you like the announcement, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best.